In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report spam in Gmail. If your inbox has been filling up with junk, reporting spam is one of the most effective ways to clean it up and help Gmail learn what you don't want to see. We'll do this on a computer using a web browser. Start by opening Gmail and signing into your account. Once you're in your inbox, look for a message you believe is spam. This could be an email that's trying to sell you something you didn't ask for, a message that looks suspicious, or anything that just doesn't belong. You can report it without opening the message by ticking the checkbox next to it, or you can open it first if you want to confirm. Either way, avoid clicking any links or downloading attachments from suspicious emails. At the top of your inbox, or inside the message toolbar if you've opened it, find the Report Spam button. It usually has an exclamation mark icon. Click that button. Gmail will immediately move the email to your spam folder and send an anonymized report to Google. This helps train Gmail's filters so similar emails are more likely to be caught automatically in the future. If you have several unwanted messages, select multiple emails by ticking their checkboxes, then click the same Report Spam button. Gmail will treat all of them as spam in one go. Over time, these reports make a real difference, and you should notice fewer junk messages landing in your inbox. It's also a good idea to check your spam folder occasionally, which you'll find in the left-hand sidebar. If you see a legitimate email that was accidentally marked as spam, open it and click Not Spam. This sends it back to your inbox and tells Gmail that messages like that are okay, improving the accuracy of your filtering. For clearly deceptive messages that try to steal personal information, such as passwords or financial details, look for the Report Phishing option in the same menu on the web. Phishing is more dangerous than regular spam, and flagging it helps keep you and other users safer. A quick safety reminder: don't interact with suspicious emails. Reporting them is safer than replying or clicking unsubscribe, especially if you don't recognize the sender. And don't worry, reporting spam does not notify the sender. That's it. By consistently reporting spam and restoring messages that aren't spam, you help Gmail understand your preferences and keep your inbox cleaner over time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take control of your inbox with confidence.